you tell me the story of Easter, Kaylin?
Well, no need. Yes, me. I will. Jesus died on the cross, so they put him on a cross and nailed him on the cross. And it hurted him. And they undid the nails, and they put him in a cave. And there was a big rock in front of the cave, and then Mary was walking along. Then she said, Jesus. And then she was crying, and then an angel came, and then the angel said, why are you crying, Mary? And then Jesus was alive again. And then Jesus and Mary got married.
That's a new spin on the Easter story.
Actually, they weren't married.
Yeah, no, they weren't.
Yeah, I don't think so. How long?
And that
that was
the
the end.
Okay.
How long was he in the cave?
Well, in 60 days.
60 days?
How about 3?
No, it was 20 days.
Oh, 20 days?
No.
No.
Okay, what do you say, Riley? Yay, Sissy! Can you clap? She told the Easter story. Clap for Sissy.